Hello everybody, I am Zachary Ward, as you know, taking computer science and software education at Gull Lake High School. So, this vlog is a bit different from the last few ones we did. I did have the Sphero EDU one up, go watch that to explain a bit about it. But, so, this Sphero EDU, the Spherable, it's a tiny robot, like, it's a sphere, of course, in the name, but all it does is roll, really, and turn, yada yada yada. So, so we had to make the code and train it, and we had to do a few different things to actually make it work. First off, we had to change from the computer with a Bluetooth radio with a USB to our phones with the Bluetooth built in, because with the radio it would not work. So, alright, we have the Sphero EDU app. This is what we started out with, and I'm on my VM right now, of course, even though it should be safe on the computer, but you know, stuff, you gotta do what you gotta do. So this is the app that we used on the computer first. This is pretty much what it looks like on the phone. I'm not going to spoil too much of the code right now, but yeah. And we used GitHub Desktop, Atom Text Editor, and the Sphero EDU app. So this is my initial commit for the maze that we did. Here we can see begin program, the async function, start program, start and say start, green checkpoint, sound number 1 check. This is just the comments of what we were doing, and all that. So, time to go to the text editor. Whoops. Go to here. So, our first commit, start and say start. As you can see here, await, speak, start, true. Await scroll matrix text start yada 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 30 true. So this is just the color of the RGB, the LED lights. This is how fast it would go when I would say it. But this took us way too long to figure out because there's 2 different things of code, and this is the one you have to use. So yeah, here is that code.
Who wouldn't do that? Someone who needs to like fans.
Oliver's aiming at. He's my partner, of course. I meant to say that we had partners.
I did see one build that was literally just the entire wall. It was fans. It's literally a case of build.
As you heard it, you can't really see it because my phone graphics suck for some reason. But the next commit is the green checkpoint. The green checkpoint was just a straight line forward. As you can see here, await roll 0. This is the angle. This is the speed, and this is for how long. Get back onto this.
Out of just fans.
Green checkpoint.
Because you need the cooling.
And then this is a bit more. We had to actually add the green because we forgot to do that. Sound checkpoint number 1. We made a monkey noise. We changed that a bit more, that's why it's green, got rid of that red. And now, we're on to this. This is the sound checkpoint number 1, await delay. So delay is just how long it'll stay in one spot for. I added that to the code to make it faster, or not faster, well, easier to do for the robot. But, we also added this stabilization to false because we thought that's what was wrong with the computer radio in the first place. So that's that. So spin 90 degrees. As you know, well, maybe not. I mean, who knows who's watching this? But angle, 90-degree angle. That's a 90-degree angle right. And then delay, 90-degree angle, 52 speed for 1.75 seconds. 0.5 again, spin 90 degrees for 0.5 seconds. Here's an interesting thing about this. You actually have to add up the angles in this, which is interesting, I would say. And then here's the animal sound. Here's the video.
You need good cooling.
The 90-second. Again.
And also make up hurricane.
As you heard, it did it, but it mildly overshot it, so it's on the line, basically tracing the line. Next checkpoint, the red checkpoint. So here we did a little bit of work, a lot actually, but here's the red checkpoint. So spin 30 degrees for 1 second, delay. Oh god. Sorry about that. Await roll 210, 45, 1.75, and the LED again.
Ooh. What's this guy's budget for Cybertruck?
Boom. That's the red checkpoint. Had to fix it a bit with this. Just yeah. Sound checkpoint number 2, Eagle. So after that red checkpoint, we had to tweak a few things, of course, because the robot wouldn't stay actually persistent with the. So here's the next checkpoint, the second sound checkpoint, Eagle. $10.
Well, too bad. I found a flooded one.
There's that. We had so there was 2 different commits, 2 types of commits. One for the day and one for the day if you didn't finish your code, and one for the actual checkpoints themselves. So that's what we finished that day for purple checkpoint. And here is the purple checkpoint. We had to we did a lot of stuff. This is, I think, right before we changed to the phones. But yeah, here is purple checkpoint.
We're fine. That's going.
I prefer that smile of perhaps that maybe a Lamborghini, maybe.
Again, it's like almost to the point where it's not gonna be in, but again, it is. Another day gone. My teammate wasn't here for like 2 days, so I had to do a few commits. Here we added a bunch of delays, like here. Yeah. Sound checkpoint number 3, Wolf. Oh, nope, that's not what I want to do. But here is that checkpoint.
Maybe not. Who knows? Hey, it's what the insurance company claims. So.
Wait. Next one, blue checkpoint, and the finish we forgot to do. The finish as its own, so there's that. And here is the final part of that video. Wait, this is it.
It could be a 2004 Prius.
This is it.
Oh, they did it.
So that's that. Like I said, we used GitHub desktop. This is just tweaking a few things here. Got rid of white space. Finished a few. Oh, whoops. Nope. Hold on. Oh. Well. Finished the tweaks on here. But that's like the end of the code. So, like I said, I used that. I used Atom text editor, which is, let me get rid of these few tabs. Reopen project here. Maze.js. That's what we were using JavaScript code instead of Python this time, obviously. But there's that. Again, I showed the Sphero edu app. I'm gonna open GitHub real quick. Here's my GitHub. Bolt. Main. Change that to Maze. Maze.js. Have it on the cloud, so that's good. Always good to have it on the cloud. So yeah, few things here, few things there. Like, again, the VM we used was VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox. So yeah, thank you all for watching my video, and I will see you next time. Well, maybe if there might not be a next time, because this is almost the end of the trimester. So exams coming up, and maybe I'll see you guys next time. Maybe I won't. See ya.